Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video is all about digital notes taking. There are several apps to take notes, but I'll be using Penly today. Let's see how you can do First of all, install the app from the Play Store. Type Penly. This is the interface you will find when you will open the app. Step, import any notepad or planner design to write on. Or you can use the design already available in Penly. After you select your notepad design, you can start working on it. Zoom in or zoom out using your fingertips. You can set your canvas so that you can write on it comfortably. Then lock the canvas by using the lock button so that it won't move around when you write. All the things we are going to use to write notes are in the topmost layer. Let's go through it all one by one. Let's start with pen first, selecting your pen size, color. Before I go deeper on how to use pen, let's see other options like highlighter and erasers. I didn't use it much, but I just want to show you all the options where they are. Back to pen. When you select the pen options, you will be given 3 style of pen nibs you can select and try writing on it and test which one is suitable for you. Well, after selecting that, let's move on to next, that is choose the color of your pen. This is just an extra tip. If you want to write on a colorful notepad, it's important that you choose the color according to the color of the notepads. So let me tell you how you can choose the color used in the notepads to write it on the same color within the notepad. It's just an extra tip, or you can just use the black color. So let's see how to do that. First of all, you select 3 of the dot given above. You can select any one. When you just press on it, a pop-up will be appear. Select down the dropper and then whatever color you want, you just tap on it, that color will be there and done. And after that you can select that color and write on it. So you can pre-hand customize all the color palette at the above and then switch between the colors to write in your notepads. It will be easy. Now I want to show you the most magical tool, text box tool. If you're conscious about your writing, this text box saves you. After you select text box tool, you will get a drop down where you can select the handwriting you want to write on. And after that, you just tap on the screen anywhere and then write anything out of that textbook. Whatever you write, it will automatically in the textbook area. Try practicing for a while so that you can get used to it. You can also adjust the size by using the size button as per your liking. You can also add italic, bold and underlined to font style your headlines and text. So these are the basics of using it, and let's try to write some notes so that you can see. I will fast forward it and you can see the result at last. As you can see in my notes, I have used bold, italic and underline effect font style and giving so much good impression on the notes. And you can also see I have used some icons and arrows to make it more appealing notes, and maybe it will highlight. You can just do it like what I did, or you can just feel free to explore your styles and do the writings. As I forgot to mention that if you're using text box for writing, then you can't delete it by eraser. If you want to delete or add something, you have to delete it by using the pop-up above given. In this part, I'm showing how you can add any icons in your notepads. Just type anything in the keypads, the icon will appear. Then just have to tap on it and it will appear in the notepad also. Like that, you can add any kind of icons you want. For example, you write star, the star will appear on the keypads. You just have to click on it and it will be there on the screen. Now let's move on to the next, which is the shape button. I don't use it much, but I will just show you for how to select the shape button and choose rectangle and try draw your first level. So only 2 things you need to focus on, the outer side and the inner side color. Select them correctly, the box will look nice and will go with your notepad's color. To do that, you have 2 options. There is a brush and filling upstairs. To change the color of the outer sides, you have to choose the brush, and then according to that the color palette will appear. You can choose the color, or you can just choose the drop down button, that dropper, and then select the color inside the notepads. The color will appear. Always choose a darker color for the outline, and then you can select the filling color, which is like bucket icon. Again, choose the drop down color, or you can just use the dropper to select the color within the notepads, and it's done. And here is the color. For example, I have chosen the next, which is the pink color. So as you can see, the outside color is darker than the inside color. Now let me put it randomly on my notepad. There are other shapes also, like circles and custom shapes. Try to use them as per your liking. Getting closer to the end of the tutorial, now let me show you how you can add any images to your notepad or notes. To import the image, you have to select the gallery icon. Select it, and like this image will up on screen, and then you can select it, drag it and place it in the place you want. The last part had come to add the stickers, which is optional. There's a star like icon and up. You can select that sticker option. There is a plus icon on the left side. You can import your sticker sheet from there. Now click on the sticker sheet which you want and it will appear on the screen. Now if click on the 3-dot button and then select the cut options from there to cut the sticker. This is how you do it. Circle around the sticker which you want. After that, click on done and it will be done, and then you can drag it down to the place you want to place it. Feel free to play around more, add some new stickers, add highlights or anything you want until you're satisfied with your notepads. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you want to ask something, please comment me. Also tell me how do you like this tutorial. Please like, subscribe and share my channel so that you can get more updates.